Tuesday, Orlando Pirates played against Stellenbosch FC. Interesting game. Ngibheke lineup Orlando Pirates kule game leya. I'm thinking to myself, futhi ngibheke kakhulu kazi bench ne. I wasn't that worried about the first lineup. Ngibheke bench lam, ngithi Coach Owadu, apa ma impact players la. Like player engenayo when you can see ukuthi Stellenbosch FC Kevin Hunt ubonile ukuthi yazini let me close down in midfield your Orlando Pirates. You guys are not going to play. If in midfield your Orlando Pirates is closed down, who finds Mfukeng? Who finds Ozuna Police? Who finds Utito? Who finds Evidence Mahopa? It then means ukuthi Orlando Pirates are forced to play game abangajwayelanga ukudlala, which is a long ball. So abolibone siya mabalibamba ibhola bekumele ukuthi bafeed straight le phambili, right? So as a coach, you sitting on the bench when a technical team yakho, you can see good Asan, team yet is not playing their usual game. We need to be in the game. We need someone who's a Caesar Azlala. In a situation like that, you pull out Maketlen Makaula or Fagu Sipombulu Dala Nombata. Sipombule Funipolo, Zlaliseni. That's what you do. Mang Peggy bench Lakona, there wasn't an impact player who can do something like that. These guys Bangamatelum Fukeng, so but clearly Pesgom Fukeng. What is your solution? Move a police to the left, substitute Faga Utino Van Royen, and then push Usbelebele. And Utito was enjoying that game. When he was picking up Sekagu rhythm of the game, create some chance wenzan, coach up Tesla Moadu, Oyam I think reading the game, Yamshao coach up Tesla Moadu, especially when he has to read the game from the bench. Yamshao coach up Tesla Moadu. He made the very same mistake Nange Derby where he couldn't substitute. And it's not like Orlando Pirates doesn't have impact players. Bako Nabo Kabelo Dlamini. As much as maybe contract Yapela, but give him it too, Balogutadale, Gules Katilis. I'll never understand why Coach Owadu Tandu Undabaganje. I will never, ever understand why Coach Owadu Tandu Undabaganje. Angaz Guti Gwenzagalani, why playing Daba ahead of Uhotu? Like it should be manje. It's make or break for Orlando Pirates. We can't afford a mistake as silly. We played against Isolele FC. Lomfana Londaba made a silly mistake. It cost a team. Against Stellenbosch FC, he made a mistake. Futi lucky enough as Angikor Stellenbosch FC. It's telling you good to Lomfana Lona when he has to play under pressure. Kashuba. Makmele kutsatla under pressure gamshubela. So why do you continue to play him? Mtedele mupi chance maybe next season. Uzomfaga again. Evidence Mahopa scored you a goal. Evidence Mahopa interfered with play. Wasite go keep our Stellenbosch FC le acrossega tito kwa by goal. Bam keeper second half. Bam keeper mina foot beseng grade with keeper no police because Coach Owadu sometimes na anyazi lento le akayenza. So it's not that Pirates doesn't have the quality and it doesn't have the players. They have the quality and the players, but coach just use them ngendlela right. But nonetheless 33 points. Sijabulile swinile celebrator. Orlando Pirates is number 2 bane game in hand. Orlando Pirates wins their next game by a phezulu goal difference. And they stand a chance of winning this league. But to be honest with you, I'm not convinced mina ngo Coach Owadu. I still maintain Coach Owadu needs to leave next season. Uzoyithatha league ne. Ngicela ningitshele ukuthi uzofika ku CAF ngala ma mistake adoma wayenzayo. Uzofika phi ngala ma silly mistake awenzayo ku CAF. How far will Orlando Pirates go? Gukef ngalama mistake akawenzayo. And this is the time where sharp you challenging in Mamelodi Sundowns, you putting pressure on Mamelodi Sundowns. You've already secured your spot for a CAF. No other team will be number 2. It's between Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. You want a number 2. About Chiefs nabo ban 3 going down. What you need to do now, you should be planning in squad sack and preparing Wakam because la CAF. You telling me Umbutuma who can score at least 4 goals in 7 games uzokoran ku CAF. Masindi Nemtajela comes on second half. Yeah, sharp Limaza, Oyapuma. But again, is he an impact player? Is he the kind of player Ozongena action chele the complexion of the game? Is he the kind of player Ozongena as season Ogutis dominating game? I don't think so. I don't think mina ukuthi umuntu ongangena shintsele igame. So Orlando Pirates also, we need to go on the market and go hunt for a striker. Maybe Dion lapaya na gu Golden Arrows. Maybe also try to have a conversation and bring back Utsukufatso Mabasa. Whatever is happening in Mbuyiseni Utsukufatso Mabasa, and maybe right. But if Orlando Pirates loses the league, like I said last time, it's because of Bona and because of the tactical mistakes Zaga Coach Owadu. Play the right players at the right position. I mean, I looked at that bench. Now, okay, La Makshubile, the only player ongangena kusize Midlilini uTansini. That's the only player that can come in now and then akusize ngokuthi control midfield yakho, because clearly uMakhetleni Makhawula no Talent Mbatha bebavalile. Now you need a player that's gonna get us into the game. Sidlale mele iPirates idlale. The only way to create more goal scoring chances ukuthi team mele idlale. Owadu yena ufika yenza izinto zakhe bafethu. So we technical team Pirates, they really need to pull up their socks if Orlando Pirates is to compete with CAF Champions League next season. And as good kuyophelela kuphi. Ukamhelo Sibelebele played a very beautiful game, but again, imagine Ukamhelo Sibelebele with that energy ngala pace yakhe playing in his rightful position, which is right wing. Mcabanga izinto bekangaziyenza izinto bekangazidabalaza lapha. But yeah, let's hope Orlando Pirates wins their remaining games. They can't afford a draw at this point. They can't afford a lose. And singanyatsi ma-KCFC, the reason ngithi ma-KCFC singanyatsi is because balole relegation. And ngama game aso uyawazi ama-team alole relegation, and ukhumbula ima-KC ne ekuyasichamela 3-2. Kuyasichamela ima-KC 3-2. So asazi ukuthi kuyokwenzakalani. Coach Owadu must pull up his socks. We need to see Dino van Rooyen playing in his rightful position. Play Sipho Mbuli. Kanti uSipho Mbuli usayinele ukuthi ayohlala le benchini. Play Sipho Mbuli. Awusimele kancane ngoyanela Mbuthuma this time. Give ngwana sesi more chance. Ungwana sesi bafethu at least ama aerial ball ulisha phakathi uyakwazi ukhetha. Give him a chance. Mbuthuma balokhu badlana nomkhodu le mkhodu in the north. Abayodla umkhodu le bayenze ezinye. Nondaba akakahlale kancane benchini. Play Dion Hoto. Play Ndaba only if Dion Hoto ulimele. But if Hoto is healthy akalimalanga mina ngazimpentshilani bese bamfaka ngabo 87. Sekazoyenzana ngoba sekazama ukrepi game. No Andre de Jong akahambe. So coach Owadu makahamba sicela ukuthi ahambe no Masindini Mtshajela, ahambe no Andre de Jong ne, ahambe no Yanela Mbuthuma, ahambe no Ndaba. Yiyo ama play kumele ukuthi ahambe nawo lawa. And then if we are going to sign new players, sign players that are going to give us the right thing, abazodlala ibhola esifuna ukulibona. Nyayivala. Kaizer Chiefs, what you did last night was very disappointing. Beyinyanyisa lento le Chiefs eyenzile last night. Next season sicela mandlala against big teams, iyani pound for pound. Sign the right players ukavoida lezi zinto lezi zokukapa abantu. Khiphani imali, i-team ye-Chiefs escoutayo, hambani no scout ama player right. Khiphani imali and sign the right players so you can challenge Sundowns kahle. So you can challenge Orlando Pirates kahle. Leyo ukuthi siyakapana sakhahlelana ayikho right, and sikhahlelana ngesikhathi esi wrong la siya ku World Cup ne. And then Hugo Bruce uzostruggle ngeselection yakhe. Brendan Peterson, nice game. Udlalile Brendan Peterson, he deserves to go to the World Cup. Otherwise, thank you, Cyril's breakfast. It's ready for you to eat. Habashu.